Well, everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I swore in January that I was going to cancel this box, and then I forgot. And then I said, well, it's February. It's Valentine's Day. Maybe, just maybe, they will pull out something amazing and send us an amazing Sephora play. I'm sorry to say, they did not. This bag is crap. Let's get into it. So, this is what it looks like. And it's not crap because of the products. I'm going to tell you why it's crap in just a moment. But I'm actually wearing 3 of the items from this box today on my face because I just filmed a video with them. Spoiler alert, if you watch my beauty box look video, this is what it looks like. It's coming next week. And you will see how this came out. But I filmed that video before this one because I cheated and I looked at the products to know what was in here. So let's go ahead and get into them. I'm just going to start pulling things out. So this thing is probably the only thing that I'm really even kind of excited about. It's a shampoo and conditioner packet. This is the bonus from Drybar. That is what it looks like. It is literally a packet of shampoo and conditioner. It is the Blonde Ale Brightening Shampoo and Conditioner, a gentle cleansing duo that will put in the time and effort your hair deserves to deliver more vibrant and healthy looking color. That's about the only thing that I'm interested in. Let's keep going, shall we? Because it gets not very much better. Okay, I'm going to pull the 2 things out. Well, no, I'm going to pull the one thing out that I think I've gotten before in Sephora Play. Yes. This is from Fresh. It's the Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer with Multi-Action Super Lotus. This is what it looks like. I'm fairly certain I've gotten this before, like 99% certain I've gotten this before. I'm not going to open this. Actually, everything in this box I think is going to go in a giveaway, so stay tuned. I'm sure this is a fantastic moisturizer. I'm sure the product is absolutely fantastic. I'm just bitter because I think literally I've gotten everything in this box already before. And I'm going to talk about it. And I'm going to tell you when I got them and how I got them and all that good stuff. This is the Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer with Multi-Action Super Lotus. Again, this is probably a fantastic product, but I've gotten it before. This hydrating cream combats dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. Plus, it delivers a young and in love glow. Get the ingredients. Lotus root extract fights first signs of aging. Too late. Maca root extract delivers lasting moisture for luminous skin. Again, too late. I don't have luminous skin. I'm 41 almost. Almost. So, I'm sure the product is amazing. I'm fairly certain I've gotten it before. Let's keep going. Let's pull this out. So I have this little tiny sample. This is from KVD Beauty, Vegan Beauty specifically. It actually says Kat Von D Beauty in the paper. It's KVD Vegan Beauty now. It's the Locket Setting Powder. It does have a safety seal on it in translucent. I have a larger one. This one I'm pretty sure I got in Allure Beauty Box, but this is the KVD translucent setting powder. So I actually have this on my face today. But this is going to go in my giveaway drawer. I think I've even gotten this size from Sephora before and I've given it away because I have the bigger one. Yep. So this is the Kat Von D Beauty Locket Setting Powder. This setting powder has a weightless formula that you'll leave your complexion shine free. So it's safe to say it's a keeper. Need to know brand. Always 100% vegan and cruelty-free, Kat Von D Beauty, also known as KVD Vegan Beauty, has established a mission to deliver mindful beauty without compromising quality. I'm being very sour. I know I am. I'm sorry about that, but I'm being very sour. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. I've gotten this before in Sephora Play, and I've given it away because this moisturizer does not work on my skin. I used this in winter of 2018. 2018 to 2019 winter. I bought a full-size tub because everybody was raving about it at the time. It was like a newer product, and it dried my skin out so badly that I had dry patches everywhere. Like my entire skin went from being on the oily side to being like the desert in the middle of summer. This might work for some people. It might work amazing for some people. It does not agree with my skin. So I've gotten these samples before. I know I have. This is going in a giveaway. But it is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. An innovative ultra moisturizing cream that'll leave your skin feeling like it's on cloud 9 for up to 72 hours. The Need to Know brand, the founder was inspired by his family's 19th century Hungarian spa heritage. Peter Thomas Roth has established a skincare line that provides selfie-worthy results. I will say this. I used a cleanser, an anti-aging cleanser from Peter Thomas Roth that I absolutely adored. I adored it. But it's just, and I have like primers from them. The brand's not a bad brand. I do like products from the brand. It's just this specific moisturizer does not agree with my skin at all. Let's keep going. Let's pull this out next. So this is from Tarte. It's the Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation in the shade 15N Fairlight Neutral. 15N Fairlight Neutral. It is on my face. It does not match my skin color. I drug it down my neck. You can see that I am quite orange from this shade. Again, complexion products are difficult. That's not the problem. The issue that I have is that this bottle right here, I went and looked because I knew I had gotten it from Sephora Play recently. In October of 2019, October, 4 months ago, 5 months ago technically, 5 months ago, I got this in my Sephora Play bag along with two other, like that month was like their foundation try it month or something like that, and I got a bunch of foundations. This doesn't work for me. I put it on my face anyway. I look like an Oompa Loompa. It's okay. This, I don't know what I'm going to do with it because complexion products are just hard. I can't really put it in a giveaway because everybody has a different skin tone. I will read to you from the card, however. This is the Tarte Sea Water Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 15 and 15N Fairlight Neutral. I like this foundation. I like this foundation. I have actually bought 2 different shades of this foundation. I like them. I had it in my project pan last year. It just goes bad a little bit faster than some of the other foundations I've used. And I have a lot of foundations. So I do Foundation Friday every Friday, if you weren't aware. I like this foundation, especially for my older skin. I really enjoy this foundation. But I'm sour because I just got it 5 months ago. This foundation helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while delivering weightless, buildable coverage. It's a formula your skin won't ever want to live without. How to use. Apply directly to your foundation brush and buff onto skin in circular motions. Like I said, I like this foundation. That's not the issue. I'm just sour that I got it 5 months ago. And the last item in here is this little guy right here. This is from YSL, and you would think, Jessica, why are you being such a crazy bitch? Excuse my language. You got a YSL product. Shade 5. Shade 5. Now, I will say this. I like this product. I do like this product. This is mine. I'm going to put the other one in a giveaway. I have it actually on my lips, but I put another lipstick over top of it. I like this product. I like the way it goes on the lips. I like the color. It has a floral scent, which is the only thing I really don't like about it. So I like the product. The product isn't the issue. The problem is that I got it in a Sephora Play bag at some point within like the last year and a half. I still have it in my collection. I don't need a second one of the exact same shade. If they had given me a different shade, I'd be like, okay, this is awesome. It has, made the box for me. But it's the exact same shade. This is the Yves Saint Laurent Tutage Couture Liquid Matte Lip Stain in 5 Rosewood Gang. A high pigmented, deep mauve pink stain with a lightweight and ultra matte formula that's totally crush worthy. How to use. Like you would a pencil, align your lips with the tip of the applicator and then fill in for an ultra pigmented look. Like I said, I like the product. That's the problem. I like the products. I like the products. So these are all the products that I just got over on this side. The foundation, I like the foundation. The shade is all wrong. Terrible, terrible shade match. But I just got it 5 months ago. The YSL, I like the product. It works really well. I like the shade of it. I like that it's a stain. It's a good product. But I got it within the last year and a half. The Kat Von D powder, I like it. It's a nice translucent powder. But I got it. And I've given it away. Moisturizer I don't like. That's my skin problems. And this Lotus, I'm like 99% certain I've gotten it before. This box is done. It's over. I'm going to cancel it. It's terrible. I'm not getting this anymore. The saving grace is the foil pack of the blonde ale from Drybar, but I think I've even gotten this before. This is just garbage. It's not garbage. They're good products, but I've gotten it all before, and I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. I'm sorry I'm being very sour in this video. I really am. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. I am never this sour, but I opened this box and I was so angry when I opened it that I filmed my beauty box look before I even got into the box and filmed the unboxing. I wasn't even going to post this video. But I said, you know what? This is bull. I'm going to post this darn video. I'm not normally this sour. I'm actually normally pretty upbeat and happy and positive. Because why be upset about things? Your life is only yours to live once. Why be upset about things? But that's okay. I'm going to be sour for this video and then I'm going to let it go. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. Does anybody even get this box anymore? I don't know. Beats the heck out of me. It's crap. I'm canceling this box. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail when I'm not nearly as sour and snarky as I am in today's video. I hope to see you guys later. Bye.